Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Josh Consults and we'll bring you the best property deals right here in the city of Enugu State, Nigeria. So today we are on an inspection to Blossom Gardens Estate. So today I'm going to show you a drive-through video to Blossom Gardens Estate. So stick to us as we go on a drive-through video down to Blossom Gardens Estate. As you all know, the update of Blossom Gardens Estate will be dropped, and you'll get the information, and also you'll follow me along as we take you on a drive-through down to Blossom Gardens Estate. Thank you. So we'll be driving down to Blossom Gardens Estate from the Enugu Abakaliki Express Road. So this is us driving down to Blossom Gardens Estate. So we are currently at close to ShopRite IMT Polo Park. As you can see, for those of you that has left Enugu for so long, then this particular video is something that would make you and that will remind you of how Enugu looks like. Now we are heading down to, we are currently at IMT Polo Park, and by the right, this road leads you to Abakpa, it leads you to Transekulu, and also leads you to the second gate of ShopRite. By the right is ShopRite, and by the left is GTC, which is the Government Technical College. Now we are about to take you down to Blossom Gardens Estate, where you'll be making your next investment. So if you are new to this channel, this is Josh Consults, and we'll bring you the best property deals right here in the city of Enugu State, Nigeria. So all you have to do is to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get notified when I drop new information, when I drop new updates about real estate in Enugu State, Nigeria, or the whole of Southeast Nigeria. Now we are currently at GRA. So this is a pathway, this is a road linking down to New Market. So this particular road is linking down to, it links down to New Market, links down to Golf Estate, and so many other estates. Now we'll be taking this path down to Blossom Gardens Estate. You can see how serene this place is. It looks so nice, and it is very calm and a cool environment. You can see all the roads are tarred, and it's the green areas are looking so nice. Well, Enugu State is a beautiful state. It is a very beautiful state, and thank God for the governor that we have. He has started working on a lot of projects in Enugu, making Enugu the pride of Southeast once again. Now we are heading down to the roundabout that links us down to FRSC, links us down to New Market, and if you take the up, it will link us down to Golf Estate and also take us back to ShopRite. Now, if there are any other place in Enugu State that you want us to take or make a video of, I'll show you how it looks like. Do well to drop it in the comment section so that we can always give you updates when we make a new video. Now we are heading down to New Market Junction. Now this is us at New Market Junction. Taking the right will take us to Blossom Gardens Estate. If we turn to the left, we'll go back to Holy Ghost, we'll go back to Old Park, we'll also go back to Okpara Avenue. So all you have to do is to sit back and watch while I take you on a drive down to Blossom Gardens Estate. Now this particular road leads us down to Ugbo, links us down to Iva Valley, links us down to Ninth Mile. If you take this road down, we would get to Ninth Mile. Now we are close to the junction that leads us to Golf Annex and Golf Estate. By the right leads to Golf Estate, and we are also close to Diamond Estate. By the left is Diamond Estate. So Diamond Estate is not far from Blossom Gardens Estate. Now the developers of Blossom Gardens Estate also were the ones that did that developed Diamond Estate and also Golf Estate. So you can imagine what they are bringing in in Blossom Gardens Estate. So we are currently headed down to the express that leads to, by the right, leads us to that's the Enugu Port Harcourt Express Road. It leads us to Port Harcourt by the right. So we have to go down this flyover and then join the road down, and it leads us to Abakwa Junction. From there we'll go to abakaliki. From there you can also take it down to Port Harcourt. Now we are taking the on top of the flyover, so we could get to the Blossom Gardens Estate. So we are taking the route leading us to the Enugu Onitsha Expressway, and you can see that if you measure the distance from now till when we get to Blossom Gardens Estate, you see that it's not very far. Blossom Gardens Estate is just after this particular bridge. That is where you will get Blossom Gardens Estate. Now the sweet thing is that Blossom Gardens Estate has two entrances. So we are taking you from the major entrance, which is along the Enugu Onitsha Express Road. Then we have another entrance at Transekulu, where Blossom Gardens Estate is also. So I want you to watch to the end so you can see that we are already at Blossom Gardens Estate. Now this is the major entrance to Blossom Garden Estate. Yeah, so you can see that a lot of developers are already here. So this is one of the developers we are working with, and we actually bought this property from the Enugu State Housing Development Corporation. So we have over 300 plots at Blossom Gardens Estate, and the sweet thing is that we are currently preparing for our allocation for this particular estate. Now by the end of this year, we'll be doing a physical allocation. We'll be having a physical allocation for all our clients that bought from us from August down to November. So if you want to be part of those people that will do physical allocation for, all you need to do is to call us today so that we can bring you here for inspection. So we came in here at Blossom Gardens Estate with our realtors and also some of our investors that want to buy Blossom Gardens Estate. As you can see, this is us showing them the map of Blossom Gardens Estate, how it looks like. And this is the general map for Blossom Gardens Estate, and I'm so excited to announce to you that a lot of investors has purchased from us and has bought from this particular project. Now we are currently working on it. As you can see, there are tractors that are up there trying to create the road. We are right here at Blossom Gardens Estate, and Blossom Gardens Estate is the first solar powered estate right here in Enugu State, Nigeria, and is being developed by the Enugu State Housing Development Corporation. So Enugu State Housing Development Corporation, we are the ones in charge of developing Diamond Estates, Gulf Estates, WTC Estates, and those particular estates are a livable area currently. So Diamond Estate is even up to just 2 minutes drive away from Blossom Gardens Estate. So the plan for Blossom Gardens Estate is to make it a livable area by next year. So this particular project, we started it in July this year. We started in July, and so far so good. We've gone to the highest point, or to a point where we know that people can start living. If you check behind me, you'll see that construction is still going on here at Blossom Gardens Estate. So we are selling for 10 million naira, of which the actual price is 15 million naira, and it comes with a general CFO, a global CFO, housing allocation, deed of assignment, and power of attorney. So all you have to do today is to make sure to own a plot right here at Blossom Gardens Estate. In this video, I'll still show you more developments that is happening up there. So stay tuned and follow us up. Thank you. So this is us trying to open up the road that leads to Blossom Gardens Estate. You can see our tractors and our bulldozers are up there trying to make sure that the road that leads to Blossom Gardens Estate is all right. So these are our realtors trying to make videos, trying to make calls to their clients to show them the current development. Now this is where our tractors are working, and we're trying to, this is where the road, the major entrance, this is where the major entrance of Blossom Gardens Estate is going to be, and that is why you are seeing us working on it daily. So like I told you, construction has started right here at Blossom Gardens Estate. As you can see, this is our bulldozer that we're using to construct the road currently at Blossom Gardens Estate. So this property is about 9,000 plots. So we have a lot of it. So like I said in the former video, it is located at Trans-Ekulu Annex, but it shares boundary with Gulf Annex, Conquest Estate, Legacy Estate. So it has two entrances from the Enugu-Onitsha Express Road and also from Trans-Ekulu Annex. So all you have to do today is to call Josh Consults today so we can bring you here for inspection. Now note that when you pay 10 million naira, you don't have to pay any other documentation fee. So it is all inclusive, and you can make an initial deposit of 4 million naira and spread your balance for the remaining 3 months. So all you have to do today is to call Josh Consults so that we can bring you here for inspection and booking. Thank you.